Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something fun and easy matrices in MATLAB. Don't worry, it sounds fancy, but I'll explain it in a way that's super simple. Now, let's create our own matrix in MATLAB. In this code, we are creating a matrix A with 3 rows and 3 columns. The numbers in the square brackets represent our game board. The semicolon tells MATLAB to move to the next row. Adding 2 matrices. Here, matrix B has the same size as matrix A, so we can add them together. The new matrix C is the result of adding each number in A with the corresponding number in B.